Alright peeps, back to it. Alright, so before we had like a huge problem. This gland nut split into, look, right where I was screwing this part down, and it forces the packing and compresses it, and it just split apart. So I had to go get that piece out of the body, and then go find this replacement piece, which doesn't really look the same, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work, so I'm gonna make it work. Now we're gonna put a little bit of silicone around these threads right now, and I didn't want to have to fully rebuild it, but I had to take it all the way down, clean it all the way out, and all this other stuff that I didn't want to do, but that's okay. It's better than getting something goobed up in the valve and having to start all over. So yeah. So I put a generous amount of silicone on that new gland piece. Get our extra big socket. Just gummed up with silicone. Years and years of rebuilding these door closers. It's not just me. There's people, a lot of people before me that came and rebuilt them. There's some orange silicone on here. Looks like some that old stuff looks like bubble gum. That's on there. Alright, so we got our socket all clean.